How to play Minecraft on school Chromebook 2025. Now here is Minecraft working on my Chromebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Minecraft working on your Chromebook. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you guys want to go ahead and do is go ahead and click in your browser and then go ahead and now make sure you smash the like, subscribe, and bell button and come join my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem. Type in Minecraft and hit enter right away. Now once you make sure to select the official site for Minecraft right at the top. Excellent. Now, once on the Minecraft page, I need you guys to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Now, once you're going to see different categories, there's the games, there's the community, there's support, there's shop, and there's account. Now, go ahead and click on the download button or the download icon right under the support section right here. Great. Now, once here, you want to scroll down once again, and then go ahead and look for Debian and Debian-based distributions. Now, you want to go ahead and click on this. Now, once you just make sure to toggle down your downloads and make sure to go into your Linux files, not downloads, Linux files. Now, once in Linux files, make sure that the Minecraft name is minecraft.deb. Now, the M is capital. You're going to have to remember this because it's very crucial when you're downloading Minecraft on the Chromebook, and then go ahead and click on save. Here, I need you guys to type in settings and hit enter right away. Great. Now I need you guys to focus on the left panel, scrolling all the way down to the bottom until you find the About Chromeware section. Excellent. Now go ahead and search for the Linux development environment and click the setup button to the right hand side of that. Now once in the interface, I need you guys to go ahead and click on next. Now as you can see, it allows you to customize your username, and so I'm going to make mine GD7OS for the sake of this video, and I'm going to leave it on recommended because 10 gigs is just enough for me, and I'm going to click on install. Now, whilst this is downloading, we'll be moving on to the next step. Great. Now, once your terminal is done downloading or installing, go ahead and click on your launcher on the left-hand side and type in terminal. And then once that is there, go ahead and select the one with the green and white slash right there. Now, once this opens, go ahead and click on Penguin right under Linux, which should load you and boot you up into your terminal. Now, go down in the description and click on the link to my website to get the codes from my site. Now, go ahead and type in cat space /etc, another / type in Debian and bring an underscore and type in version. Now this first code is important. If you're anything between Debian 10 and Debian 12 or 13, that is very good news for us. Now the next code is sudo space apt space update and hit enter right away. Great. Now, once that is done, go ahead and type in sudo space apt space upgrade and hit enter once again. Great. Now, at this point, make sure you have my website or you're on my website so that you're able to copy this next code from my website. Go ahead and copy that and paste that right into the terminal and hit enter right away. Now, this shouldn't take that long to finish loading. Great. Now, once that is done, this is the most important part of this whole video on how to install Minecraft on the Chromebook in 2025. Now, go ahead and type in sudo space dpkg space hyphen and bring an I, and then hit another space again, and this is the part where I need you guys to pay attention. Now, we named our file minecraft.deb with a capital M, and so we're going to type the same thing here, Minecraft with capital M, type in Minecraft, and then do .deb. Now, we are bound to get an error, and that is pretty normal and pretty usual, so go ahead and hit enter. Good. Now, this error is pretty normal and it's pretty usual, so don't get scared or get frightened in any way or shape or form. Now, go ahead and type in sudo space apt space -f, another space, and type in install. Now, go ahead and hit Y and hit enter right away. Now, at this point, we've basically installed the launcher and everything should be almost ready. Now, go ahead and type in Minecraft again, bring another hyphen and type in launcher, and then go ahead and hit enter right away. Now, at this point, the launcher is going to download and install on your Chromebook. Great. Now, as you can see, Minecraft is now loaded on the screens and it's asking us to sign in with Microsoft. Now, if you have an account, just go ahead and click on Microsoft. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Now, I'm going to sign in and I'm going to see you guys on the other side of my screen. Now, here are two crucial things you need to know. Now, if you're trying to log in and it gives you an error code, try it at least 2 times or 3 times. And also, if it's loading you after you've logged in, you have to wait just a little longer. Don't be scared. Don't panic. It's perfectly working well. Now, unfortunately, the Bedrock Edition, the Dungeon Edition as well, and also the Legend Edition says not playable on this device. Now, if you want to play these ones, let me know down in the description below or in the comment section below so that I can know what I can do about it for you guys. Now here I am playing Minecraft on my school Chromebook, and this is working perfectly. This is absolutely ridiculous. Now if you guys want to be part of a Minecraft giveaway, just go ahead and click on this video right on screen, or you can click on this other video to know how to get Fortnite on your Chromebook. Now make sure to smash the like, subscribe, and bell button. Comment on my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem just like I said earlier. And that's your boy GG7 Plays. I'll see you in my next video.